So I'll be showing you the most legit way to sell your cryptocurrency through the P2P platform in Nigeria without any stress, right? And avoid scammers, avoid losing your funds to people that will rip you off. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and let's dive right into the video. So first things first, go to this area, you see more, right? Here's where you see the options of P2P trading and the rest. So once you open up, just click on P2P trading. On the area you see, on the section of buy crypto, you see deposit, buy crypto, then you see P2P trading, then select it up. So once it opens up, you will see the interface where we'll be trading it as, right? And there you have the buy and the sell side. So you can see the buy area and the sell area, whichever one that you want to do, you can either buy and sell here, right? And you should know that before you do or use this, you have to be verified on this exchange, and your name should match the name in your bank account where you'll be receiving the money or your transfer from or in, right? So you have to check that out and verify that. That's one of the most important aspects of this. Unless if you have any issues, they might not resolve it because of the wrong account numbers, right? So just have to go and check that out first of all. Now here we have the buy area and sell area. So today I want to sell off. So yeah, this is the current price. I mean the current exchange rate, which is 1,330, 1,330. I can say 1,450, but then I'll have to filter this out to know the actual price it is at right now. So for you to filter it out, you see this funnel right here, just click on it. Now I have to just remove this since I was explaining better to you guys, right? So now I've removed all the filters, right? So if you want to do this, you have to go to the filter area first of all. This is very important because you have to select the verified vendors, right, to remove fake people from this list or from advertising or showing you the advert. Basically, for the exchange not to show you them at all, right? So now first one is show only verified advertisers. So you have to tick this. Obviously, show only block advertisers, not necessarily, but yeah, show verified advertisers or block trade merchants. So let's click this. Show only eligible ads, yes. So instead of choosing only one, we just chose it to show verified advertisers or block advertisers. Then we chose show only eligible ads. Ads with no verification required, nope. Show only advertisers that have traded within the past 6 months. Now, not necessarily because they might not even be active again. So yeah. Now, payment time limits. So we have all 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So we have 15 minutes. These are people that are actually very fast, right? So now you can see this country. So you just select your country, right? So you just be specific with what you want. Now here, depending on the amount you want, so I would just be selling maybe 20k because of this video. So just put the amount you want. It's very okay because you just show you those with 20k limit, right? So just confirm it, 20,000. Now you go to the payment methods, right? This is important because you have to select the bank you're using, right? Whichever bank you're using, just select it so you filter it out. You select all, right? Or you can, if you are not using all these Pampay, Kuda, Opay, all those fintech apps, you can just use normal Access Bank app, right? If you're using normal conventional Nigerian apps, you can select them as well. But let me just leave it at all, right? Now you can see that this has been filtered out. There's no one for something. Now the current price is 1330 and we have 1388. So yeah. Now the best alternative is for you to check the limit or quantity of the coins those are selling. Now you can see that these people have a limit from here. MathPace, this one you're seeing here, has a limit of 20,000 naira because that's what I put. He's only paying to 20,000. Then you can see this person has 20k. Now another thing you should check is their success rate. So now we have on the right side you see the orders, right? You see 26,948 orders and it has 99% success rate, right? That means he has done almost all transactions without any hitch. Then we have AK fast pay. This one has done that 3k orders and it has 100%. So I mean I'll just go with the 100%, but you can see that bank transfer, it doesn't have my bank because I'm not using all these banks here, so I'll just have to skip it. That's another thing you have to check because bank AK fast pay, this guy has what I like, this is 100% with more orders, but doesn't they have the bank I'm using here. So I'll just have to skip it. Now I will check other ones that has the bank that I'm using, right? Then I think the only person that has the bank I'm using is MavPays. So I will just have to go with MavPays, right? So MavPays, Swift payments and all that. So you just click on the button here, sell. Then we put in the amount you want to sell. So before you go ahead to sell, your money should be in funding, right? That's where it should be at. It shouldn't be at your trading account or whatever. You should move that money to your funding account so you can easily send it over here, right? So let me just set this up, right? I'm selling with crypto anyway, so let me use crypto. Money is not here. You click on this plus sign you see here. That's where you add the money. Now remember I told you that the money should be in your funding already. So just go over there, right, and send in your money. So if it's in the unifying trading account, you have to put it to funding, right? So let's select USDT. Select USDT. Then let's click on max. Now it's very important you send it to funding. If not, you will not see it on that other part, and you cannot be able to sell off. So let's just click on max and confirm. Now I'm sending my money from the unified trading account to the funding account, and that's when I can see my money here. But because I moved the money from unified trading account to the funding, I have to go back and re-enter this place so that it activates, right? So let's just select it. Then no, we'll go to the crypto because I'm selling with crypto. Then I put max because I want to sell everything there. Then you have to read the instructions. Merchants may include additional terms in the advertisers. Then please review them carefully before placing an order. In the event of any conflict, the platform shall prevail. Violation will not be protected under the platform protection, right? So the instruction of this particular advertiser or seller is I don't pay third party account. I don't pay third party account. Click my profile name and tap the start button to follow me for more fast trades. Simply go to your profile. So we leave positive review. This is instructions of this guy. So let's just click on sell, right? And let me put in authenticator stuff. So once I've done putting in all the details, so the next part will be here where it will show you P2P orders has been activated. Then log into your payment account below and confirm that you have received the payments wherever. So enable Telegram on that to never miss other updates now. So contact buyer. So open the chat with the buyer. So the buyer has successfully completed the payment. I mean this is very fast, so I have to just check my bank app to confirm. So let me just click I'll be log into my bank app, then confirm. My bank app is on another phone, so let me just check it out. And if it's there already, then I have to then release the funds immediately as well so that our ratings will be high. So basically I've seen the alerts. Let me check history, so I'll show you guys. Show me later. Right. So you can see the alert. This is Ferrari, right? This is the account number. It's blurry, right? Put my camera to show you. So I confirm that I've received payment from this person, and the amount here is exactly the amount I received. So now release now. So if I didn't find or see the same amount, I'll click the other one. But because I saw it, I have to click I've seen it. So I just copied the authenticator code and just paste it in, and this ends our transaction, our business. And this is very easy to do. I mean, it's very stress-free and very fast as well. A lot of people that get mistakenly scammed is because of the okay, incorrect verification. So that I think it's expired. Let me copy it again. So like I was saying, a lot of people that get scammed is because of their not doing their due diligence, especially if you're trying to sell, you don't filter it out, you don't remove those that will probably scam you. And I mean, there are a lot of people selling, and if you see that the current price is 1,330 and you put yours at I see somebody that is selling 1,500 and you click that person, is most indefinitely going to be a scam. So you have to be cautious of all these things. Like you saw, I saw the first order that 114, then I had to filter it out and see the actual price. So you won't say I don't know the current exchange rate. When you filter it out, the current exchange shows, and you have to select your bank. You have to have the details that you should be the same. Like right now, I received this alert to this person through this person because it was the same name with my verification name and whatever. And the person specifically said he doesn't send to third party, and the third party meaning maybe you have your name here and you're setting another bank account for him to pay you the money. They won't send it, and if they report, you will lose your funds, right? So I've completed the sales, right? I've received my money, and basically there's no issue. If I had any other issue, I'll just click on other disputes, but I don't have any issue, so I'll just click on my view my assets and check my balance. That's to be sure that the amount they took is the amount I actually input. So that's basically it. If you find this will helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video to those who are interested in them. And yeah, let's go.